welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For the new, thank you guys for tuning in. Today we're actually gonna be talking about, I think I talk too fast. We're gonna be talking about cleaning your intake. So stay tuned. So I messed up badly just because I took the bolts on this ones, because I wanted just to take this one out, but then I forgot I had the rubber mount. So easy way, leave that on. Easy way, I guess you can take this just to like shake it up a little bit, but yeah, you don't have to. You can just take the main ones, which are right here. Those two actually go on the hole right here, on the bolts here and here. Once you take those two out, you can just kind of like move it up a little bit, move it upwards to the point where that one that just goes by pressure, I can seem to clear it. There you go. Anyways, that one, that little bolt there goes, let me see if I can get the flash out, goes in there by pressure right here, right there. So once you pop that upwards after getting the clamp out, the hose, the cone, I guess you can say, the filter, so it's more easier to take out, as you guys know. From there, you just pull this one upwards, take the cone out really fast, and do the proper cleaning, which is the KN. Now we're gonna double check right now if this is the actually, like, I know this is for the filters, or we're gonna double check if we can actually use this one for the cone too. So give me 1 second, we'll be right back. So it looks like it's actually another one. We're gonna go to the store and see, because we actually need a bolt. And alright, so it looks like I don't have the proper one. It's just for cleaning, honestly, but we just better do it the right way, guys. So I'm gonna take wifey's car and we'll be right back. Now what I've seen is that you're actually able to use KN or AEM for cleaning it out. So you can use either one. Because I believe, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm certain, maybe a 60% the KN and AEM is the same brand. You know, it's just, I believe KN bought AEM, or AEM or bought KM, or the other way around, whatever. But it is the same similar thing, so you can still be able to use it. I thought I had a copy behind me. I was like, oh no. So I'm gonna go to your neighborhood friendly neighborhood AutoZone. So we'll see. In this video, just a 5-minute video that I was planning on doing, just turned maybe to a 10. So we'll see how long it takes. Yeah, so we found one. KN power cleaned. This should be good. KN or AEM. Usually AEM, they don't carry it because, once again, it's almost the same brand. So let's go home. It's already got dark, as you guys know. So we're gonna clean the filter and try to put it on tomorrow. So stay tuned, guys. It worked out perfectly though, just because I need to get that wrench from my mother-in-law because we're taking that hose out. 12-inch one, it's huge. And also we got some extensions to put the bolts that we're gonna need to put in for the frame of the intake. I don't know, because like when I accelerate and then I like go right before it shifts by itself, and then I just put, once it's shifting, I straight out step on it, then it makes that noise where you can hear the intake actually sucking air, you know, and that vibration maybe moved it. I'm taking a hard guess on this one, so we're gonna really make sure that it's actually nice and tight, you know, so no bolt goes flying on the engine or anything and something breaks. So stay tuned, guys, and I'll catch you on the other side. You know, this part of town reminds me of I know we're in the States, but it reminds me of Peru. You know, my hometown, just trees, the houses, you know. It's like, I remember when I used to go visit my auntie, and then this part of town, it just reminds me of that, you know, where you had the panadero, you know, when you get your bread and stuff nice and fresh at 6 p.m, you know. It's like, it brings memories. So I had to share that with you guys. So first thing we gotta do is use the KN power clean, spray all around. It's actually the second clean. Uh, Depending on how dirty, you can maybe just try to go once or twice. I'm doing it twice just to make sure. Once you spray all the power clean, you want to spray the water from inside out so all the things can come out. Now you can use a power hose, which will be much better. I'm using just here from the dishwasher. Once you do it from the inside, you can do it from the outside. You can see here how everything's coming out. The inside and out to get most of the things, dust and everything coming out, and then just a little rinse from outside. So you can get just the extra things that don't want to come off with the right amount of pressure. Water temperature in between, in the middle, not too hot, not too cold, will make a difference honestly. But as you guys see, it's a little bugs coming out, little things. Usually to clean your filter, people usually recommend 100,000, 50,000. I did it at 10,000. Usually depends where you drive. As you guys know, I was in the valley for a long time. So even though I have the protector and everything, which it did protect, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that dirty. But just to make sure. Now I do recommend rinsing all around a couple times, not just one. It's kind of hard to record. And I'm cleaning it, but I do go all around a couple times. You see steel bugs coming out. Alright guys, so there it is. Nice and red, beautiful. Nice and clean. Check the inside. Ooh, what's that blue thing? It's the oil. But there it is. We're gonna leave it here until tomorrow. And we'll install it. And from there we'll move on. Alright fam, so this on the intake. The intake is back on. I did go for a couple of runs just to double check that everything was good and set on place. I put the bolts in, one over here, another one over there. And the bracelet, of course, you can hold the cone in there, or if you can see the light in there. There we go, there it is, nice and beautiful. Quick tip, once you put the cone in there, remember to put your hand and then kind of like press, not from here but from the bottom base, so you can kind of put the pressure on and then stick it in there. Put the bolts back on. You can definitely fit your hand through here to put the cone in here, and then put the bracelet nice and tight so it doesn't come off. Remember that. And then yeah, from there it should be good. I mean, once you put that with the bolts on, then it should be nice and good, guys. Anywho guys, any questions about the cleaning your intake or putting it back on, don't forget to always leave a comment or just message me on my Instagram. I'll always get back to you guys as soon as possible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, guys. And remember, it's not just about the car. So stay sexy out there, guys. Until next time. And hopefully next video we'll have something big, because we're gonna do a big change in the car. So hopefully everything goes good and goes as planned. So hope you guys enjoy that, because the car is just gonna be a beast. Alright guys, till next time.